A top Pakistani diplomat, their envoy to the UK, has told NDTV that Islamabad's probe has found that Pakistani territory was not used. But hours later, speaking to NDTV in Davos, Pakistan's Prime Minister ticked off his High Commissioner, saying their envoy has no authority to comment on the matter. India, meanwhile, does not believe that Pakistan's reply will really contain anything substantial, but government sources also say they believe Western pressure is working. Swati Maheshwari, Shivnath Tukral and Mayami Chandani have more.
With Pakistan's reply to India's dossier on the Mumbai attacks almost ready, for the first time, a senior Pakistani official told NDTV that the report may say Pakistani territory was not used.
So far as the investigators have made up their conclusions, Pakistani territory was not used. It could have been some other place, but not UK as well, because these are the two places that I was concerned about, and they categorically informed me that UK was not involved, Pakistan was not involved in. Its territories were not used for planning this operation.
But speaking to NDTV in Davos at the World Economic Forum, a more restrained Pakistani Prime Minister said the London High Commissioner was not authorized to comment on the matter.
Your High Commissioner in London was quoted as saying that we don't find it believable. That's why this question, what kind of action would you take?
In fact, he can't comment at the moment. When the Prime Minister can't comment, how can anybody comment? Because it's only the job of the Ministry of Interior.
What kind of action can one expect? Because now that you are saying that you are also a victim of terror, what kind of action can one expect from Pakistan?
I assure you that my soil will not be used for terrorism. And we assure you, if anybody is found guilty, the law will take its own course and will bring him to justice.
As Delhi still awaits for an official reply from Islamabad, these comments have drawn a sharp reaction from External Affairs Minister Pranab Mukherjee.
We have not received any information from Pakistan authorities through proper channels. Whatever we are hearing, like you, through the media. This is not the way a government can respond. We are giving them the material. We expect them to investigate and to let us know the outcome of their investigations. Till now, we have not received any information officially from Pakistan.